Hey beauties, it is your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole. Did you miss me? I know guys, I know, I cannot say it enough. I've been missing for one entire month. I did not post since 4 weeks ago, and I know you guys are probably upset. Some of you guys wrote in like some of the comments of my videos like, where have I been and is everything okay? Everything's fine. I just wanted to miss YouTube. I wanted to miss everything because I felt like I wasn't enjoying recording as much as I used to. So yeah, right now I miss it a lot, and it's refreshing being in front of all of these lights and doing something that I actually love doing. So yeah, so right now I'm not doing any crazy videos. I just wanted to get myself back into the gist of things, get back into the whole YouTube thing. So this is just a quick get ready with me work edition. And if you guys don't know where I work at the first Morphe store in New York City. If you don't know where that is, look it up, because I live in New York. I don't know why you guys think that I work in Jersey, but hello. But before we want to get into this video, we want to shout out my gang. I'm shouting out my gang because it's been 4 weeks ago. Some of you guys have been checking on me, and you guys made sure that you wrote notification gang in the bottom of my in my comments. I don't even know what I'm saying. In my comments. So it's just me showing my appreciation and telling you guys that no matter if I'm not on YouTube, I still love y'all. Also, shout out to the people that came to the Morphe store and visited me, and those of you who bumped into me by accident. You guys made my day at work, okay? Low-key, my coworkers didn't know I was on YouTube, so y'all be making me seem like I'm famous or whatever when I'm really not. But I love y'all too, and yeah, let's get into the video.
Just like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. Oh, love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted, you're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all. You're moving closer, I feel the heat. Hands on your chest, you're all I want. Now keep me warm, just like a dream. I'm coming in. The fantasy, it never leaves when I'm with you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I give you a taste. Now when you're with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. And just love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dream My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification. Bye, beauties. It's called editing. You'll get kicked out of the video real quick.
Yeah, no, I won't. No, I won't.
Move. Matter of fact, let me just do this.
No! No, Jessica, please.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you are always notified when your girl posts videos, because I am back. I'm back. Okay. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.